Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this fun square knot variation, adding a fun woven texture to the side with multiple colors. Let's get started. To begin, I just went ahead and attached 2 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now I'm going to bring in a 3rd rope and gently loosen my lark's head knots and then add that rope right through the knots underneath the dowel rod. And I'm just pulling on it until it's even on both sides. And then I can tighten each lark's head knot back up to secure everything into place. Now I'm going to take the 4 cords right in the middle and tie a square knot. I take those outer cords and I'm just going to twist them over my square knot cords and then bring those square knot cords back around to the center, and then I'm going to tie another square knot using the same cords. Once you pull that half square knot tight, just pull on each of your outer cords to kind of tighten it up slightly and take out any slack. Then finish your square knot as normal. Now take those outer cords once again, twist them around in front, and then push them back towards the back so we can tie our square knot again as normal. Pull those outer cords to take out any slack and smooth the ropes out. Just like that, and we just keep repeating. And this is what it will look like once you have tied a few rows of those square knots. That outer cord is going to weave into the sides to add a fun texture and touch of color. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.